You saw the picture of me in your car.
Yep.
Where?
In your phone.
In my phone?
Yep.
No.
Yes, I did. I showed
Why you didn't say nothing? Because what? You didn't know that was your car.
Yes,
No, you didn't. You
Yes,
didn't. You didn't know that was your car.
this is my car.
Yep.
And
You
this
gonna,
is not your car.
you gonna let Molly ride with you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now you can ride with your friends. You have a 2-seater now. Me? I'm not gonna get in right now.
Why?
Gosh, that is a little bit too big. Huh? You can't get in and ride around the corner. I just hop in with her and ride. Yes? What's that? The fire? Oh. Why you put it out? Why you put it out? You're supposed to put it over here. Hmm? It's for when you go camping. Yeah, when you go camping. Hmm? The navigation? That's the directions? Yeah.
We're gonna get a ticket!
Dang. Yeah, bud. Come on, turn this way. Turn this way. Turn this way. Now drive. You better stay off Stanley Grass. Pay attention to where you're driving. Don't go in the hole, Denver. Don't go in the hole.
This way?
No, go that way. Good job.